The manufacturing process of a wheel involves several key steps depending on the type of wheel being produced, such as automotive, bicycle, or industrial. Here is a general overview. 1. Design and material selection. Design, computer-aided software, is used to create a detailed design of the wheel. Materials. The choice of materials depends on the application. Common materials include steel, aluminum, magnesium alloys, and rubber for tires. 2. Casting or forging. Casting. For metal wheels, molten metal is poured into molds to form the basic wheel shape. This process is used for aluminum and steel wheels. Forging. In some cases, metal is shaped through high pressure, which creates stronger wheels, such as forged aluminum wheels. 3. Machining. After casting or forging, the wheel is machined to create precise dimensions, bolt patterns, and a smooth surface. CNC, computer numerical control. Machines are often used for this process. Holes for bolts, valves, and spokes in the case of certain types of wheels are drilled. 4. Heat treatment. Metal wheels may undergo heat treatment to strengthen the structure and improve durability. 5. Surface treatment and coating. Wheels are coated with anti-corrosion treatments such as anodizing or powder coating to protect the metal from oxidation and wear. Finishing involves painting, polishing, or chrome plating to give the wheel an aesthetic look. 6. Assembly. For tires. For automotive wheels, rubber tires are mounted onto the wheel frame. The tires are made by molding a mixture of natural and synthetic rubbers, along with other materials like steel belts and fabrics for reinforcement. 7. Quality control and testing. Wheels undergo rigorous testing for durability, balance, and performance, including load-bearing capacity and impact resistance. Essential things for wheel manufacturing. Raw materials: aluminum, steel, rubber, magnesium alloys, and coatings such as paint and chrome. Machinery: CNC machines, casting molds, forging presses, heat treatment furnaces, and surface coating equipment. Design and engineering tools, CAD software, and quality testing equipment. Quality standards, ISO certifications, performance testing equipment for fatigue, impact, and corrosion resistance. Each type of wheel requires variations in materials and methods, but the above steps provide a general framework for manufacturing a wheel.